Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to create a locals account. Here's how to create a locals account in 2025. First, head over to locals.com. Once you're there, scroll down a bit, click the sign up button in the top right corner, choose sign up with Rumble, and if you already have a Rumble account, simply enter your login details and continue. Next, click next, then create a secure password. Now you will receive a verification code via email. Open your Gmail, copy the code they sent, paste it into locals, and click approve. Then continue. You can upload a profile photo to personalize your account, then select a few topics that interest you most, and click finish. Once it's done, you're officially part of the locals community. From here, you can join creators' pages, post updates, comment, and explore personalized content that matches your interests. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.